Hey neighbors, what are you doing? It's a new day. Thank God we're alive, and going to start this day with custard apple that we got from Sister John. Yeah, I don't remember having this even the last time that we got it, so like a first time try for me. Mmm. Mmm. Very similar to sweet sap, as everybody says. Nice food. I'm going to try to plant some of the seeds, see if we can catch it and get it on our property in Clarendon. But what I want us to think about as we start this day, first of all, you always see me in this black shirt. I bathe and I change my clothes. I just have many of these black shirts. I like them. So it's new days, bathing and everything, but the shirts look the same. What I want us to get though is some very serious. Tina has been thinking a lot lately about life and death, and so she's been really reading Ecclesiastes for the perspective of Solomon. And the reminder is that don't take yourself too seriously. Don't take your life too seriously, in the sense that we're all going to die anyway. And so sometimes we get caught up in a loop of thinking so far ahead. This money needs to stretch, I need to make some plans for 10 years on the line, when really and truly you could die tomorrow. You could die tomorrow and you're left waiting to enjoy something that you never even get to enjoy. You have some funds now, I'm not going to use it for something to enjoy or to make my life happier, make somebody else's life happier, to give it to somebody to help improve my family situation or my friend's situation. Because you plan on looking so far ahead and you may not even reach so far. You know, be wise, be smart, don't be, just spending your money in any foolish way. But learn to live in the moment, appreciate what you have, because what you have is today. So make smart decisions and have fun. Because one day, it will be your last day. Alright? One day, your health situation may change. One day, something will happen that may impact what you think you're waiting or saving up time for. And I know people who have died untimely. And I'm sure if they knew that it would have been the last day that they would have done something different from the week before to, make the most of it. You have your lot in life, God give us different measures of health and different measures of wealth, different measures of intelligence. We need to just enjoy what we have, be good stewards to God, and live unto Him. So that's the thought, that's the serious part of the video. That's the thought that I want us to think about for today. But what we have to do today, we need to get the breadfruit tree a new home. We won't be going to Clarendon right now. So now that we have the tree, we're going to have to find a temporary home for it. So we're going to get some topsoil, or garden soil, whatever you call it. Some good soil, get a bucket or a little flower pot. Keep it in there until we can transition him down into Clarendon, right? So yeah, that's one mission. Second mission that Leila and Zahra, as usual, giving us is that they want to do dancing at school. So we're going to buy them those dancing tights. So go. Them dancing tights thing there, and the frilly things as well. Hopefully we can get that somewhere as well. But let's see how the day turns out. It should be Sunday when you see this vlog. Yeah, hope last week was good and I hope this week is even better. Let's go. Custard apple is a hit. Good morning, breadfruit tree. What I realized in the drive over there is like there was some sticky stuff. You can see these little things. They were sticking me in the drive over, and I don't know if it's a defense mechanism or what. But I felt them. But anyway, soon come and take care of you. Alright? And we also got a citrusy kind of plant. But I smell okay. Interesting, I told him about a bead. I said I'm always even the black. But it's not the same shirt and it's not the same day. A bead.
Yes, he has about a half a dozen of these black shirts.
Yeah, I love them. They're cool and nice. But what was I even saying? Right, we got a citrusy kind of plant. But we took it. But when we're thinking about it, we already have like so many. So we're going to give Tina's mom for here. So she's going to find somewhere to put it and see if we can, if her thumb is green enough. And she has a lot of other plants going on, so she have the touch. We're going to get some soil now and see what we can do to ensure that the breadfruit tree makes it. This is Miss Bev's plant collection. This is like a National Geographic thing we're doing here. Look, bare plants. I love this one right here. I love this plant right here so much. It's so beautiful. It's like a plant series out there on the vlog. All manner of plants over here. What's this spider plant? I don't know. All manner of plants going on. So we're in the mall, just beside Tasty. There are normally some people here selling plants. We could have actually come here on Saturday to get the plants for Leila and Zahra, you know. But never remembered about them, and so I don't have one, they treat us good. So no regrets there, but we're going to see if they have any topsoil or whatever you call it, garden soil, so we can put it in the bucket to house the breadfruit tree until. But morning, you said soil finished. Oh man, which way them go? You did bring a lot.
Yeah, somebody just bought all them brought.
Today? Which way them go? That way?
Yeah, sure.
You're not sure. I already forgot after them, man. Okay. We like these little cactus. We're thinking of getting one for Hannah. This one?
I like this one, it's cute.
Yeah, this would be good for our work desk.
Yeah.
It's good for our work desk. We can get it for Hannah. How much for this one?
400.
400?
Yeah. Want to get two?
Yeah, I want to get more than one more. All of them is 400?
No, some is 5.
Alright, let me take
One
one.
or two, maybe 3.
Maybe
Alright,
3.
this one here.
You like this too?
Yeah.
So we're giving Hannah the two of them?
No, I can keep one for mine.
In the room or on where the TV is?
Our room.
Yeah.
Some up there, some up here.
This is another one.
Yes,
I like this one for you.
oh.
Oh. It's like a mini.
It gets bigger.
Oh.
How much bigger? Okay, okay, that's nice. That's nice.
How much
that
is this one?
Nice.
So you want to take all 3 of them?
Yeah.
So how much again? 300 and how much it is?
This one is 4.
And this one is 5. Oh, 2 $400. That's 4, 4, 8, 11.
Oh, that's called Birkin. Is this the one that you
Birkin,
got?
no.
Leila and Zahra?
No. Alright, so we're taking this one, and the one that she had a while ago. So overnight we turn plant enthusiasts. You take card? You take machine? You have to go the next step in 2023 now. You can put them in the box and I'll come back. I'll just enjoy the cash and come back.
But you don't mind this box?
No man, because she's taking that too, you know.
Okay.
I don't have enough children to know about the diapers. So let's put all of them in this thing, the Pampers box.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll come back.
Yeah, man.
All of a sudden, we moved from having no plants last week to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We even loaning out plants to schools and all these things.
Loaning? You mean the plants were here so we're not getting back?
No man, them coming back. So, yeah, I'm sure this will be a good addition to the house. Right?
Yes, I'm looking forward to keeping them out of the reach of the children. And this is my new...
Where are you going to put this one?
My new girlfriend.
Where are you going to put this?
In a nice sunny spot. Somewhere where Leila and Eva And Leila and Zahra won't be tempted to tear the leaves off.
Yeah,
Those little cactus
I
ones.
like these small ones.
Yeah, I think we could try and see if we can find some nice inexpensive little pots or cups for them.
Yeah.
I like putting plants in cups. You know, nice big cups.
You mean like teacups?
Like yeah, or like like those that we saw in the pharmacy.
Oh.
Those nice big ones. Those little tiny plants would work nicely in there.
Okay.
Instead of a regular vase.
Alright, so we came here for soil, we didn't get it, so we just bought plants. We did accomplish the mission, so let's see if we can get it somewhere else. And probably come back on the road later to get the dancing clothes.
Yes.
Something like that.
Although that's a quick buy, that can happen
In no time.
10 minutes. So.
Alright, we'll see what happens. Let's go. So we're coming to H&L to see if they have anything that would suit us. I don't know why Tina is walking up this ramp. I'm going to walk here. I'm walking here. Stairs. Okay, so I found the stash. This is mulch. But this is the garden and potting soil.
Organic garden and potting.
Okay, that's good stuff.
I guess.
This is Ross, garden and potting soil.
Organic manure compost.
Organic.
Fire dust soil.
Does it sound good?
Looks good to me. You can get one or two of these.
Yeah.
Let's see what it is.
Yeah, I mean soil is soil, right? I think we should also buy a pot, a big pot. And what we'll do as we keep getting more trees, we'll let them stay in there for a while and then we'll transfer them to.
But we don't
Current
need
down.
these fancy ones.
Yeah, these are if they were going to live in there.
Yeah.
But we just want them to stay there for a while to grow, and then we put them in the ground. But I think we're going to invest in a couple of those. Not invest, it's simple buying. Buy it all the little plastic, you know those black flimsy plastic ones. And get the breadfruit tree, drop it in there. A week or two later, we'll put it in the ground in country. Then we'll get our next custard apple tree. I'll drop it in there, then make it material, and we'll go boom again. Something like that, like a halfway house, but for plants. That makes sense? It's not listening to me. Yeah, let's go and get this and see how it performs.
Alright. Gotcha.
Argentina.
Alright.
And this is the car of the day. It's a 1933 Volkswagen Monster Edition VW. No windows,
No.
no roof, no windshield. By design.
It's my car, by the way.
Tina chose this one for herself. I don't know why though.
It's cute. I actually literally carry it around in my
her
handbag.
I don't know why.
I carry it around in case the children need something to occupy them.
Right. Not for you.
Not at all.
Okay. But today it's carried us to the not Progressive Mall, Sovereign Village Mall to get the
leotards.
Yeah. Why finish my sentences?
Because you're not finding the right words.
Quick clean up, right?
You have small with the sleeves, black.
So them don't come in the tights?
You buy the tights separate.
Okay. You prefer the black?
I guess. I'm sure they would love the pink.
What if I do get two same color?
Yeah. I know.
Black should be fine.
It's just that after a few washes,
It look different.
Yes, it will. I mean, they all do, but the pink might
So get the pink then.
wear a little better. All right, give me the pink in the small too.
I hope God gives him the favor of dancing because I don't dance. And I don't know Tina's a better dancer either. I don't know if Tina heard him, but God go with Leila and Zahra. Hopefully they can find a rhythm. and excel in dancing. Alright? As a matter of fact, next video I'm going to dance for the neighborhood. Next video, me, Leila and Zahra going to dance for you. Promise. If you don't see it, remind me. That was expensive.
Yeah, unexpectedly so. I never expect leotards to cost so much money.
Leotards are basically oversized onesies. It's basically a onesie for big kids. That's all. Why it costs so much?
That's true.
Next time I'm going to go on Amazon and look for extra large onesie.
But you know, we could probably find a
For like
dressmaker
$50. Are you?
who can make that. And I could have probably make it, you know.
Think so?
Hannah's supposed to have enough skills. Yeah, well, it's just elastic.
We'll do that next time. Only thing I have left to do is to go home and put the soil in the pot, or have a bucket. You never get any pots.
Bucket will work.
Bucket
It's
will
a temporary
work. Right.
home
Bore
for
some
the breadfruit
holes
tree.
and let the breadfruit tree rest easy and grow. Because plants need. Let me hear it, neighbors. Right. And very good. Very good. Okay, let's go now. Alright, so we have the bucket here. We're using this make do. It will work though. Water normally settled here, so we'll bore the holes there. Some additional holes there for the water to seep through. Now to fill up.
Fill up?
Fill up, yes.
With what?
We're going to use this soil. Hoping this is good soil now. Hoping we get value for money.
I have red. Yeah?
Alright, we're going to pour
What
it
is
out.
this?
No, Eva, move.
What is this, Daddy?
That's smooth soil. We're going to pour. Alright, so ready?
Look how it's
Has everything it needs now.
Daddy, look how
Let's use some water. Ready. Let's use some water. It has a soil. It has air, and it will get sunlight. Grow in Jesus' name. Amen. Growth. High five. So that's it, neighbors. Found a new home for the breadfruit tree. A temporary home until take it to Clarendon. Go and take it up. It's in the garbage. Yeah, so until next time, as usual. I feel like it was a long day, but we accomplished a lot. Until next time, as usual, neighbors, big up from me, the rest of the house. Have a great week.